If I want to remove the subtotals and groupings all together in a single step, what you can do is just click on the sheet, means select the whole sheet with this little triangle, and go in the data tab and select subtotals. Now an error will appear, just ignore that error and click OK. Remove all. So it will instantly be removed, all the totals grouping all together. So now that we have removed the subtotals, I need to prepare a summary for all the salespersons and see how much each salesperson have sold in the whole quarter. How much is the customer reach for that particular salesperson, how much is the sales amount and profit. Now the problem is that we have the salesperson who are again and again, the name are coming, so we have the duplicate values. We only want the unique values to appear in the salesperson summary report. What we need to do is identify the duplicates and then delete it. You don't have to do it manually. What you can do is just select the heading and Control Shift down, copy, and then just paste it right there. Now what I want to do is go on the data tab and then select remove duplicates. Now it's confirming that the data you have selected has the heading salespersons. Yes, just click OK, and there you have 24 duplicate values found and removed, and 5 unique values remain. This is so awesome. Okay, now I want to arrange, double click. Now what I want more is number of units sold, customer reach, sales amount and profit. All the data I want the same here. Double click to auto arrange. Sorry. Double click to auto arrange. Now I have the data. What I want to do is, according to this salesperson, it should pick the data from here and identify that in all 3 months how much units Asad sold. So Asad is our main criteria of checking here. Customer reach is for Asad, I want to find sales amount and profit. And similarly, I want the same report for all others, for Saad, Farhan, Awais and Umair. I want to calculate the totals, means I need to sum, but according to a specific condition or criteria. So when condition comes, you have to think in your mind, okay, condition means if I want to sum according to a criteria, that means equals to sum if. Now the range means that, okay, you have the criterias of salesperson, but where is that range or set of series of in which the salesperson's names are there in the data? So I have the range right there, and comma. Now I have to identify the criteria. Okay, there are lots of salespersons here. Do you want to add them all, or you want a specific results to be picked out of this list? So I want to calculate according to a criteria, that is this. It will just identify from this range wherever Asad is coming. It's just like you're doing it manually and highlighting by a calculator. You have the criteria in your mind that I have to calculate the totals for Asad, so you will highlight all the Asad and then you can make the totals. And comma, now you have the sum range. The sum range should only be for figures. I need to total number of units sold, so the sum range would be this column. And then hit enter. There you have the result. That is the power of sum if function, and it is so powerful formula that all the audit firms and finalization of all accounts, journal entry, trial balance, balance sheet, all uses sum if. So we will discuss that later, but you have to practice now.